Alright everyone, welcome to Get It Done, son. I'm going to start off with a blank screen. If you go through the onboarding, when you download the app, you'll see things here, but we'll soon see what you would see in that process. So, going up to the plus at the top right to add a category. So let's say that creativity is very important to you. You can also type in your own category. So I'll actually type in a category. This app, Get It Done, son. Save category. Okay, so we have no roles currently set up for Get It Done, son. So let's create a role. So what's the role within this? Now, a role can be anything. It can be an area. Role is just a word. For instance, if your career was important to you and you were a doctor, your role could be doctor. But because this Get It Done, son app, so this is important to me within this role. So what is the goal within this? A goal within this is to submit the app for users. Good details of the goal, yeah, in order for people to benefit from this app, it has to be completed and submitted. Okay, done. So it is a short-term goal because my target is actually very soon because I've done most of the work. Priority level, this will kind of rank your goals in hierarchy in the home view. Now, sub-goal of this goal is to do this tutorial video. So add that one. And then another sub-goal is to submit to the App Store. And then I guess another goal would be to market the app. Although maybe that's like another goal, that's a goal outside of this one, but you get my point. So we'll save that. So we have Get It Done Son app. You can go deeper into that. We've added a goal, and if we click on these things as we do them, then it marks our progress throughout the app. Now another element you can add is habits and vices. So a good habit, you've got a bunch of suggested ones that you can use. But a good habit of mine is get up at, 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. I'll say 4 a.m. If I get up early, I get more done. Done, save that, okay? Now what's a vice? What's a vice of mine that prevents me? Well, procrastination is definitely one, and that's a suggested one. When I procrastinate, feel bad, and I don't get it done, son. Get it done, son. Save, boom. Okay, so this is basically a setup I've got now. I've got the Get It Done Son app. A goal within that is to submit the app for users. I could add another goal, market the app. This would make more sense than having that as a sub goal, as you can see. So you see these little flag icons that go red and green. So if you tap the flag and you make it red, then that makes it a super priority. And this little flag at the top right, if you click on that, these are now super priority goals. So that's a way you can kind of organize your goals into even higher priorities. Now the little circles on the right of the goals, if I tick on one of them, it will disappear. Now if I click on the overall box, this is my kind of role detail view. So this is a bit more of a detailed view of what you see on the home page. So you've got this card that kind of breaks things down. You click into that and you get a bit more detail. So you can see you've got an archive goal there, so you can hide them or show them. And basically it just means any goal that you complete, boom, 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 and you go back, it will be archived. So, and all the goals are removed from there now. We're not done with these yet, so we'll go back. So another thing that we have is the habit and vices. So get up at 5 a.m. Did I get up at 5 a.m. today? I did not. Ask me if I want to reflect on this. So if I reflect on it, it takes me to this view, and this is where I can kind of, so if you click done, boom, boom. So the habits themselves have detailed views. So you can click on them and they have details within them. You can see that I went left with this one. Let's say I didn't procrastinate today though, so I go right. So that means that I achieved that habit today. Click on that. So I've got a streak of 1 day. This is a vice. And boom, boom, you can edit that and add reflections. So the point of reflections is kind of did well today, didn't scroll social media, so didn't feel like I procrastinated. Return, add that, so that's your reflection, hit done. So you can add reflections every day, they'll kind of rank in terms of when you added them. You can edit it, if you press X it will delete it, boom boom. We'll go back, you can edit other things here, so this one will give you a bit more of an alert though. Do you want to delete the habit? Do you want to delete the goal? Do you want to delete the role? So we'll click done again. So we've got a streak of 1 on procrastination. Another thing that you have is this little graph button at the bottom right. So you click on that and this will kind of track your progress throughout the weeks. So because it's Monday today when I'm doing this, if I click on the graph, I've got this. Now if you clicked on this on Friday, you would have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you might have a couple of unknowns. Maybe you forgot to come to the app, and then there's a few grey ones in that graph. But if you know that you did, you avoided it, or it occurred, this is for advice, you can hit done. And it's basically a way that you can track habits daily. So you come to the app, you got up today at 4 a.m, great. So that tracks 1 day. Tomorrow if I did the same, there'd be 2 blue. If I didn't get up and I missed, it would be 1 red and 1 blue. So there you kind of habits. So we've got the home view, and then so I'll show you another one just before we go. So say your health is important to you. We go to health, boom, 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 and we add, let's say sleep is important, and your goal is to get 8 hours a night. Boom, 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 save that, and then a good habit that helps you sleep is exercise. And you can add as many good habits as you want. So you could have another good habit, and it could be diet. Like diet is your good habit. And then obviously you can add details inside of here about your diet. You can reflect on it, etc., etc. And you can add as many vices. So what's a bad vice? Staying up late would be a vice to prevent me from sleeping well. So basically it's like a handheld tool that allows you to set goals within different categories, create roles within each category that are important to you. I'll do one more for you. So creativity. So me, myself, boom, boom. I am, wrong one. So press this bottom plus button to create a role. So I am actually an artist, and I'm releasing my album soon. So release J and the B's debut album as a high priority. There'll be many sub goals to that, like submit the album, save that, and then what a good habit of that is promote tracks on social media daily. So it's basically kind of, you see where I'm going with this? You can make it your own. You can create a lot of different tools within this app. There's a tutorial video. Well, this is a tutorial video now, a bit like meta. I'm speaking to you now from the video. Here's a way to watch the video that you're currently watching. And you'll also be prompted with it on the onboard, and just get the chance to. We've got the edit button. You can also kind of rank things. So if creativity is the most important thing to you right now, you give it a star and it will be the one that goes to the front. Yeah, and that's pretty much get it done, son. Obviously, if you have any questions, I'll put an email in the description. Any ideas about what make the app better for you? I'd love to hear it, because this app is built for people to get it done. You know, focus, track your habits. Like, if we're succumbing to bad habits often, then life is crap. I know myself. Like, when I succumb to bad habits, I feel bad. When I track my good habits, do well every day, I just build momentum and I feel great. And I'm hoping this app will help you build momentum and feel great and achieve everything that you want to achieve in this life. So I made this for you guys. Obviously, women can get it done, son. It's not exclusively for men, but my demographic is aimed at men, especially young men who might have lost direction and don't really know where they want to go in life. This app is for you. This app is currently free. All these tools you have now are free. Like, they'll always be free, as they are now. Eventually, I will put things behind the paywall, premium features. It's going to be $2.99 a month, but if you do get the app early and you don't delete it, the app will register that you are one of the earlier users in the first 90 days, so you'll be offered exclusive discounts. But whatever you get now is completely available. It will always be available, and then premium features will be behind like a $2.99 a month or 99 cents a month if you're an early subscriber. So stay tuned for new features. I hope you guys and girls have a great time using that app. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at gobiasltd.com, at gmail.com. I'll put it in the description. And here's wishing you a productive life filled with promising, prosperous actions. God bless.